Yo, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brennan. I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday. We had a really good time, but now it's back to work. So today, I am going to show you how to get some amazing shots in your bedroom. Something a little bit different. So, what we are going to do is we're going to turn our bedroom into a studio. Something that you guys can do at home with the same gear that you use every day. I'm going to use a C-stand, I'm going to use a beauty dish, possibly a softbox, and I'm going to use a 200, Evolve 200 or 8200 if you call it. I might use one, I might use two, I might incorporate a little bit of gel, but I am going to show you in this video how to get some incredible bedroom shots with just the gear that you have. We're going to be using the A7R4 with one of my newest favorite go-to lenses, the 35mm 1.2 from Sigma. Now, the reason why I chose the 35 1.2 is for many reasons, especially when you're in such a tight space like a bedroom. You don't want to do anything like a 85 or a 100 or anything like that. You might be able to get away with a 50, but you will lose a lot of the background and a lot of the environment to really tell a story with the shot. So the 35mm is the best lens for a tight area, a tight confined shot like the shoot you are about to see. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now, again, I don't have anybody recording for me while me and Tamika do this. So I'm gonna try to get some BTS with my Atomos or my GoPro, whichever one I feel kind of like doing. And I will have the camera set up so you guys can see kind of the whole shoot, the whole room look, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get to the shoot.
And I know times like this, you just take it slow. I fall asleep in the pillows. She got my heart in a chokehold. And there she goes. Heart that pounds like a stereo. You take me round and round like the merry-go. But one more ride, baby, here we go.
What's up, everybody? So I'm going to quickly show you kind of like the setup of what we're doing up here now. Anytime you shoot in the bedroom, you kind of want to set the scene. So right now I can show you a little bit. We have kind of like an amber light right over here, bam, right there. And then on this side also we have another little amber light set up over here. And as you can see right here, I'm using the beauty dish right here. I also have an 8200 over here and also have one over here. Now they're not going to be in that position when I start shooting. I just kind of brought all the gear up here to see what I wanted to do and how I wanted to set everything up. So one of the biggest things about shooting in here is you want to kind of minimize the amount of light that is spreading all over the room, because you really need to set the mood. So With the beauty dish, I am going to start off using the grid because I want to control the light. I don't want it to spread everywhere because I want the other lights in the room to do their job. I have a grid also on the 8200 with barn doors to focus a lot on where I needed to, and I have grids on both of the 8200s. So on the one over here we have a yellow gel, and the other 8200 we have a blue gel. The yellow gel is kind of going to be a kicker for the lamps, all right? Yeah, since they're continuous lighting, you know, like a lamp in your room, we're going to have to use something to really boost that yellow light, especially when you're using flash. So in order to do that, I'm going to use a flash to boost the light out of the lamp so we can get that yellow light in the room, or amber light that I'm looking for. The other one is I'm going to use a blue gel because yellow and blue contrast, they offset each other really good. Not to mention the bed, me and Tamika's bed is like a bluish gray look, and she's going to be wearing like a bluish top, you know, with a set. So it's really going to kind of accent everything, all right? And then we're going to use the beauty dish to kind of just give her that real beauty contrast look, to give her that really dark, you know, sexual bedroom look, and hopefully you guys will get it. So let's get to it. Holla. Beautiful. Give me that again. Chin up, look over that way. Good, just like that. Yeah, that's good. Lean this way again. Good. Get that hand like, yep, off to the side, kind of just like float. Yep, that's that. No, you just had it. You just had it. Yep, good. Lean more towards me. Good, right there. There it is, right there. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I loved it. It's perfect. But keep that sexual tension in your face. Yeah. 3, 2. All right, guys, so for these next 2 shots, the beauty dish actually did not fire. I'm only going to get light from the blue and yellow gel on each side of her, but I want you guys to take a look on how this looks with a little bit of editing, like a cool blue light, with a little bit of creativity. Take a look. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Give me that again. Chin up, look over that way. Good, just like that. Yeah, that's good. Lean this way again. Good. Get that hand like, yep, off to the side, kind of just like floating. Yep, that's that. No, you just had it. You just had it. Yep, good. Lean more towards me. Good, right there. There it is, right there. 3, 2. I love it. I love it. All right, here we go. Good. Right there. Look up. Chin up. 3. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. Stay right there. 3, 2, 1. That was a little bit too much yellow. Kind of this way. Yeah, and yeah, exactly. Something like that, exactly. But I'm gonna shoot you kind of more from this. Perfect. So I'm shoot you from this angle. Let's see here. So I want this part of you, I want up here, and your legs back that way. Let's see, another one. 3, 2, 1. Wash your face. Going away from the light. Good. Eyes open. Look over by the window. Look up to the window. Look up. Mirror. Right there. Stop. All right. This is gonna be a fire shot. So I need that top, the leg that's on top. Pull it over towards me. Yeah. See that? See that?
I can't see.
3, 2, 1. Lord. See. Like, you didn't see what happened, that leg pull.
I see the leg, but I can't see.
I mean, yeah, I'm just telling you that it gives you that sexual body. Like, pull it over, like, yes, girl, come on now. All right, here we go. 3, face up, good. Eyes over by the window. 3, 2, 1. Good. One more. 3, 2, 1. Good. Head back a little bit more. Eyes open, looking over at the window. Over the mirror. 3, 2, 1. So, I need your legs. So, One, no, I need them closer so I can get it in one shot. Yep, so that gotta go back. Good, perfect. Okay, I'm cutting off that leg. Bring it closer back. Yes, right there. 3, 2, 1. Keep turning your face over here. Right there, good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Good. There it is, babe. Got you. I got you. Good. Just leg up a little bit. Right there. Good. Lean to the side. No, not you. The leg. Yep. There it is. Right there. Good. Now take your head and look over that way to the mirror. Right there. Good. Chin up. Good. Right there. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. I like that. Eyes keep. Really important to keep our eyes in the light so you can get those whites of our eyes. Good. 3, 2, 1. Stay right there. I'm coming up here.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Right there. Tilt your head a little bit to the side. Innocent, kind of innocent look. Yes. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2. All right, right there. Good. All right, good. Back up here.
I could be round, round, round you. And it could be now, now, now. Oh.
For this next setup, we're gonna move over to like this little chair in our bedroom and try to get some dramatic shots with some wine and some music. All right, bye. All right.
With some wine.
With some wine. Music.
I could be around you. It could be now, now. I could be around you. It could be now, now. I could be around you. It could be now, now. I could be around you. It could be
All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that photo shoot. We just had a really good time. It's just really easy, you know. Just you don't really have to have like really extravagant places to shoot. You know what I'm saying? You can make something out of nothing in your own house, as long as you understand lighting, understand how light behaves, and just create something pretty dope. So we have a good time every time we shoot. We always try to create something and you know, just bring something that probably either somebody has ideas about, has questions about, or you know, probably like, hey, you know, let's just make a photo shoot right here in the house. So that's what we did. It wasn't anything all extravagant. We kind of left out a bunch of the extra stuff, and we just really got to shooting tonight. So we just wanted to do a shoot, and we said, hey, we're not going out. We're just gonna shoot in the bedroom. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe, please. Please. And right, anything? No. All right. Well, thank you guys for checking us out again, and until next time, we'll see you next one. Peace. Holla at your boy and girl.